Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Bybit rewards. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Bybit, click on the sign up option, and from here you can use your Google, your Apple, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, for those who are new on Bybit, basically, Bybit rewards are incentives offered by the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange to encourage users' engagement and loyalty. Of course, Bybit rewards often include programs like referral bonuses, trading competitions, and affiliate programs that allow you to earn additional income beyond regular trading profits. So participating in these programs can boost your overall earnings on the platforms. Now the thing is, how do we use the Bybit rewards? I need you to click on the exchange option. And from here, hover down to your profile icon in the upper right corner. Now, it depends on if you are using your mobile device, but basically just look for the rewards option. And from here, as you can see, now once you are here, if you don't see anything like a reward coupon or whatnot or referral bonus, the thing is you need to click on the My Tasks first, all right? It's here, click on it, and from there, as you can see, these are the ongoing tasks that could earn you a reward here on Bybit. So the first one is the 1025 USDT referral task. All you have to do is invite a friend and you'll both earn 25 USDT and a mystery box worth of 1000 USDT. All right. And from here, all you have to do is, this is going to be the 10 USDT bonus derivatives, right? And of course, the 15 USDT. You have one chance for a lucky draw, and you also have a 5 USDT bonus derivatives thereafter. And then next, of course, is the 5000 USDT deposit blast off rewards. All you have to do is deposit and trade to earn up to 5000 USDT and a VIP status upgrade. All right, you would also receive a 20 USD welcome gifts. You can sign up now to claim $20 the year after and earn up to 0.1 BTC if you complete the task within the time limit to win a mystery box. All right, of course, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. All right, and of course, now once you completed all the tasks, you would be able to see your rewards section here, right? And you can use that reward. Click on the use button and you will be forwarded to the page wherein you can use it to buy any crypto for the 65 plus fiat currencies. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.